Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Stadium-sized asteroid to whiz past Earth on July 24, NASA put it in danger category. A huge asteroid about the size of a stadium is hurtling towards the Earth at a very high speed, named 200AGO20. The asteroid will whiz past Earth on July 24. The asteroid is cruising at over 8 km per second, which is around 28,800 km per hour, a speed so high that anything coming in its way will suffer extreme catastrophe. The near-Earth object any over 20 meters wide and will be zooming by a distance of 2870847,607 km, 8 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. While the asteroid will safely move past Earth, its orbit close to the planet has been classified as Apollo, which holds the most dangerous asteroids. NASA is continuously monitoring the object. Earlier in June 2021, KT-1, an asteroid the size of an Eiffel Tower, came close to the planet, classified as potentially hazardous. 2021, KT-1 made a close approach to Earth at a distance of 4.5 million km. Any object closer than 4.6 million km considered a potential hazardous object. Asteroids are rocky fragments left over the formations of the solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. The orbital paths of asteroids are at times influenced by the gravitational pull of planets, which cause their paths to alter. NASA tracks over 26,000 near-Earth asteroids and over 1,000 of these are considered potentially hazardous. The agency tracks the movement of the asteroid around Sun to establish its location, computing an elliptical path that best fits the available observation of the object. Eid-ul-Adha. India celebrates Bakrid in pandemic shadow. PM Modi, President Kovind extend wishes. Amid COVID-induced restrictions on large gatherings, India celebrates Eid-ul-Adha on Wednesday. Devotees were seen offering prayers in mosques and in compliance with COVID-19 guidelines of masking and social distancing. This is the second successive year that Eid-ul-Adha is being celebrated with COVID-related restrictions. President Ramnath Kovind wished the nation on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, union ministers and opposition leaders also extended greetings for Eid-ul-Adha. Here is how the nation is celebrating Eid-ul-Adha today. 9:40 a.m. PM Modi extend wishes on Eid-ul-Adha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished the nation on Eid-ul-Adha, Eid Mubarak. Best wishes on Eid-ul-Adha. May this day further the spirit of collective empathy, harmony and inclusivity in the service of greater good, PM Modi said in the tweet. President Ramnath Kovind wished the nation on Eid-ul-Adha, Eid Mubarak to all fellow citizens. Eid-ul-Zuha is a festival to express regard for the spirit of love and sacrifice, and to work together for unity and fraternity in an exclusive society. Let us resolve to follow COVID-19 guidelines and work for happiness of all, President Kovind said in a tweet.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.